Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will demonstrate a delicious, quick salmon recipe in the air fryer. This is a Larry under pressure production. Now, here he is.
Hello everybody, let's get started with this cook. We're going to first, in a bowl or in a glass dish, we're going to mix the marinade ingredients. We're going to start with 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. The next thing we're going to pour in is 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Sounds like a lot, but it's not. You'll see. A half teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of pepper. I'm using the coarse ground. I have a link to it. On the directions page. And then we're going to stir that around. Get a good stir on it. By the way, I'm cooking this in the air fryer. This is an air fryer recipe. I'm using, of course, the Ninja Speedy on the air fryer mode, but it can be done in any kind of air fryer. Alright, that's mixed up. I've got the 2 salmon fillets. You can fix more than 2. You can fix 4 or whatever will fit in your air fryer. But all I'm fixing is 2 for the purpose of this demonstration. So let's put them in the marinade and coat them on both sides real well. And you can leave them in the marinade up to 24 hours. But for the sake of speed and time, we're going to just dip them in there and go ahead with our cook. There's the first one. There's the second one. And we're using a 400 degree air fryer. You can use a 375 or a 380 if that's as high as yours goes. I'll be right back and we'll get those in the fryer. Now we've got the air fryer preheated and we have it set on 10 minutes. We're going to take the salmon fillets and put them in there. After we spray the tray, we're using avocado oil. You can use olive oil or whatever you like. And we're going to put these in there and let the cook begin. Listen to the sizzle. Place those on the tray. Close it down and then we'll check it in probably 5 minutes. We've got 9 minutes and 55 seconds. We'll let it go to 5 and take a look. I'm back right away because I forgot one important thing I wanted to do. I'm going to open it back up and I'm going to sprinkle some smoked paprika on those fillets. Well, I'm afraid I'm going to dump a big bunch of it out, so I'll pinch it on there. There we go. Now we'll let it ride. We're coming up on 5 minutes now, so we're going to take a quick look and also do a temp on them. There's 5 minutes. Look, they're looking great. Remember, it's always smart to cook by internal temperature rather than just time. And we're looking for an internal temperature of 130 to 140 degrees. Right now in the thickest part of these, we're at about 95, 106, 127 on that one, 125. So we're going to let them cook for another 2 minutes, and then we'll check the temps again on them. These have been cooking for 7 minutes now, so let's open it up and check how nicely brown they are. Check temperatures. Remember, we're looking for 130 to 140 degrees. This thick one is at about 120, and the smaller one is at about 129, 140. So we're going to let it go for another minute, and then we'll check back and see where they are then. They've been cooking now for 8 minutes, so let's take a look. They sure are getting nice and brown, crispy looking. Smelling good. 139 on that one, so that one's definitely done. And this one's at about 153, so they're done. They look great. I'm going to zoom in on them so you can see the color. Aren't they pretty? I'm going to get them plated up and then we'll take a further look at them at that time. There they are, plated up with some rosemary and some lemon. And they really, really look good and smell good. Let's see how they look. When we look. Oh yeah, nice and flaky, moist in the middle, perfect color. And let's give it a taste. Real good. Just the right amount of doneness. So there you have it. There's a healthy air fryer salmon steaks. You can fix those in a matter of minutes, just like we did tonight.
Thank you for visiting with us for this video. If you enjoyed the cook, please visit below and subscribe to the channel. In addition, there is a full recipe printed below. To purchase many of the items Larry uses on the channel, we have provided links to Amazon for you to purchase. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time.